In today's video, I'm going to show you how to group objects in PowerPoint quickly and easily so you can move, resize, and format multiple items as one single unit. This is a super useful trick when you're building slides with shapes, images, icons, text boxes, or any combination of objects because it keeps your layout neat and saves you a lot of time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to organize your objects. To group items together, you need to select more than one object. You can do this by holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard or the Shift key and then clicking each object one by one. As you click, you'll see each item become selected. This part is important because PowerPoint can only group objects that are selected at the same time. Once your objects are selected, look for the option to group them. You can right-click on one of the selected objects, then hover over Group and click Group from the menu. As soon as you do that, PowerPoint combines those objects into one grouped item. Now when you click and drag, all of the selected objects move together as one. You can also resize them together, rotate them together, and format them more efficiently without having to adjust each object individually. If you want a faster way, there's also a handy keyboard shortcut. Just select your objects and press Ctrl G on Windows. That instantly groups the items for you without needing to open the right-click menu. This shortcut is especially helpful if you do a lot of slide design work and want to speed up your workflow. Now, if you ever want to undo the group and work with each item separately again, that's easy too. Right-click the grouped object, go back to Group, and then choose Ungroup. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows to ungroup the objects instantly. After that, each item becomes editable again on its own. Grouping is one of the simplest but most powerful PowerPoint skills because it helps you stay organized and makes slide editing much easier. Whether you are arranging charts, logos, shapes, or images, grouping helps you keep everything aligned and under control. So to quickly recap, hold Ctrl or Shift to select multiple objects, right-click and choose Group, or press Ctrl+G to group instantly. And when you need to separate them again, use Ungroup or Ctrl+Shift+G. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.